Did you know that there are billions of tiny minions living in your gut right now? And if you don't feed them the right stuff, they might just turn on you.
Huh?
Yeah, you heard me right. Rebellion in your belly. Today, we're diving into the surprising reasons why you really need food. And trust me, it's way more than just filling your stomach or satisfying those late-night snack cravings. We're talking about gut minions, mood boosters, body repair, and even how food keeps you from freezing in the middle of winter. Stick around because I'm about to reveal how your favorite foods might be doing more than you ever imagined, and why you might want to keep that broccoli close by. All right, let's talk about the gut. No, not the beer belly from last night's pizza binge, the gut microbiome. Think of it like an entire city of minions living inside you, working day and night to keep things running smoothly. But here's the catch. These little guys need food too. And not just any food, they're picky eaters. They thrive on fiber, stuff like fruits, veggies, and whole grains. So what happens if you don't feed these gut minions? Picture this. They get hangry. Yep, they'll start munching on the mucus lining of your intestines. Yikes. And when that happens, you're looking at inflammation, digestive issues, and a whole lot of discomfort. Basically, it's like the minions are revolting against their overlord, you. That's why this little green tree is your best friend. Broccoli, along with other fiber-rich foods, keeps your gut minions happy and healthy. And when they're happy, you're happy. All right, let's jump to another surprising reason we need food: our emotions. Ever wonder why you feel so darn good after eating a piece of chocolate, or why that salmon dinner leaves you feeling all zen? It's because certain foods actually boost your mood. Seriously. Chocolate, especially the dark variety, contains compounds that boost serotonin levels. Serotonin is that feel-good neurotransmitter that makes you want to dance like no one's watching. And then there's omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon. These bad boys can help reduce anxiety and depression. So yeah, food isn't just feeding your body, it's feeding your soul too. But wait, if you think that's wild, just wait until you hear how food keeps you warm. Yep, you might want to rethink skipping dinner when it's freezing outside. Now, let's talk about how food is like your body's personal handyman. Every day, your body is in repair mode, fixing tissues, healing wounds, and even repairing DNA. And guess what? Food provides the raw materials for all of this. Without it, your body's fixer-upper crew would be out of a job. Proteins, for example, are broken down into amino acids, which are like the building blocks your body uses to repair itself. If you're not getting enough protein, your muscles start breaking down, and recovery from workouts or injuries slows to a crawl. So, next time you're sipping on that protein shake, just remember, you're giving your body the tools it needs to keep going strong. All right, remember when I teased about how food keeps you warm? Let's dive into that. When you eat, your body generates heat during the digestion process. This is called thermogenesis. It's like having an internal heater, which is pretty handy when it's freezing outside. So, in a way, food is your personal defense against the cold. Ever notice how you feel warmer after a big meal? That's your body cranking up the heat. So next time you're shivering, maybe reach for some soup instead of another blanket. And remember, while you're warming up, you're also feeding those gut minions and boosting your mood. It's like a 3-for-1 deal. Finally, let's talk about detox. Now, I'm not talking about those fad detox diets. Your body already has a built-in detox system, and it's called your liver. And guess what? Certain foods help your liver do its job better. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts contain compounds that help activate liver enzymes responsible for detoxifying harmful substances. So yeah, that green smoothie might not just be a trend, it's helping your body cleanse itself from the inside out. So, We've talked about feeding your gut minions, boosting your mood, repairing your body, staying warm, and detoxing. Turns out, food is a lot more than just something to fill you up. Before we wrap up, let's tackle some common questions you might have. Because let's be real, when it comes to food, we've all got questions. What are the best foods for gut health? Great question. Foods rich in fiber, like fruits, vegetables and whole grains, are the best for keeping your gut minions happy. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and fermented foods also help maintain a healthy balance. Can certain foods really affect my mood? Absolutely. Foods like dark chocolate, bananas and fatty fish are known to boost serotonin levels and improve your mood. So, yes, you can literally eat your way to happiness, just maybe not too much chocolate at once. How much protein do I need to help my body repair itself? The amount varies depending on your activity level, but a general guideline is about 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. If you're active or trying to build muscle, you might need more. What should I eat when I'm cold? Warming foods like soups, stews and spicy dishes can help increase thermogenesis, keeping you cozy. Plus, they're comfort food, which makes you feel good too. Are detox diets necessary? Not really. Your body is pretty good at detoxing on its own, especially if you're eating a balanced diet rich in cruciferous vegetables. So, focus on whole foods rather than fad diets. So there you have it, 5 surprising reasons why we really need food. Whether it's keeping your gut minions in line, boosting your mood, fixing up your body, keeping you warm, or detoxing, food is doing way more than you might think. And the next time you sit down for a meal, maybe you'll appreciate all the ways it's helping you out. If you found this video helpful, or at least entertaining, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And hey, drop a comment below with your favorite surprising fact about food. Until next time, keep those gut minions well fed.